Hey guys, welcome to this iOS 18 guide, and here I'll detail how to fix Apple Maps volume too low on iPhone iOS 18. So if you're using the Apple Maps and you discover that the response volume is quite too low, now you need to make this a bit louder, then this video is going to show you how you can make your Apple Maps volume louder in a short while. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to fix Apple Maps volume too low on iPhone iOS 18, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. While on the settings page, you want to scroll down the page, click on apps, and once you selected apps, you want to scroll down the page until you get to maps. So just go ahead and click on maps. Now, once you selected maps, scroll down the map settings page and click on spoken directions once you see spoken directions. There you go. There you can see the voice volume is either softer, normal, or louder. Now, to make the maps volume louder on your iPhone, just go ahead and click on louder volume. And once you select the louder volume, this is going to increase the Apple Maps volume while using it on your iPhone. So that is basically how to fix Apple Maps volume too low on iPhone iOS 18. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.